Got another knife in the mail today. So let's go open it up and see what the project is gonna be. Okay guys, let's see what the mailman brought us today. Whoa. Okay. Springs look good. That's great. Look what year this thing is. Vietnam era, y'all. This thing could have been in the Vietnam War, you never know. It's got the little bar for the can opener. And no, I believe that's a bottle opener. Flat tip screwdriver. It's got the can opener. But the only thing that's wrong with it is it's got a broke punch blade. And I think I might have one in my drawer over there. Just let me look. See, here's my extra parts for these knives. And I have an extra punch blade. So, we're going to try to get this thing. This really shouldn't be that big of a project. So, we might try to do this. It'll probably be early next week. But that's where this will go, right here. Right there. Can't wait. 1961. Ain't that awesome? So be on the lookout for this video coming soon. It's in great shape. We can do it. So I have an announcement too, guys. My channel has really grown over the past week or two. I'm at over 600 subscribers. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give this knife away. But it's one of the knives I picked up at the flea market about 2 weeks ago. And it's the Buck USA. I will be giving this away once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Once I reach that 1,000th subscriber, I will do a video. To be eligible to win, you have to comment on that video, be 18 years of age or older, and live in the United States. And I will mail this to y'all. It ain't been hurt. It's in great shape. The blade's in excellent shape. But this knife I will be giving away to a lucky subscriber. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to me. I appreciate it so much. Anyway, guys, I just want to share all this real quick. Y'all have a great day. God bless y'all. And until then, y'all stay sharp.